Hello, this is Andrew here once again with ForexDayTrader.com. I'm presently in a live trade. Wanted to make a video of it, and we're going to and see how this comes out. If you've seen some of my other videos, I use a Heikin Asahi indicator and this custom trend line to help me get signals. Right in here I got a signal, so I placed an order and bought the Euro USD right here. It is March 7th. It's a Sunday evening. Typically not a great time to trade, but just saw this opportunity. It broke resistance and wanted to give it a shot here. So we're going to pause this video here in a minute and see how it goes. Just real quick, I bought right here, and I placed a stop down here about 12 pips away, and I have a target about 20 let's see, about 20 pips from my entry. It's just kind of a way that I scalp the market, especially the Euro USD, and we'll see what happens. So I'll let this run a little bit, and I'll come back and see where it goes. Okay, it's about 10:15. Let's see, maybe about 20 minutes after I last checked in here when I was talking to you when I started the trade. We were right in on this bar right here. It was working against me a little bit, but it's recovered and is now headed in the right direction. I'm up about 6 pips right now, and we'll continue to watch this. I'm just going to sit here for a few minutes and watch this. If you want to find out more about my Heikin Asahi method, you can visit my website at www.forexdaytrader.com. I give away a free instruction video on how I trade with a Heikin Asahi. I have different ways that I use it. The video that I share with you is a 30-minute time period on most markets that you can day trade with the Heikin Asahi method. Also, you'll get some success tips if you sign up on my email list. I have some success tips based on my own personal experience. It's not fabricated stuff. It's just real success tips, and just talking straight with you about my experience with Forex trading and what has helped add to my success. Also, you'll receive this indicator if you sign up on my email list, and I'll show you how to install it. It's a custom indicator. It's very good at giving you the direction of the trend on every time frame. The chart that you're looking at, time period chart that you're looking at, will give you the direction of the trend using the color. You can see here when it took this little dip, it turned red. It was starting to show that it was getting into a downtrend, but then it quickly turned around and then turned blue again, showing the uptrend. So as we continue to watch this trade, I'm going to pause this just a little bit more for your information. I have a trailing stop here that will kick in at about 12 pips. One of the great features of using a MetaTrader is the fact that the trailing stop will wait until you reach your targeted trailing stop that you've indicated, that you've put in. You can put in a custom trailing stop of however many pips that you want, and it won't start following right away like most softwares do, like most trading platforms do. The trailing stop immediately kicks in as soon as you're in the market and follows behind it. Now that, to me, is not a very profitable way to trade, because you're not giving your trade any room to develop, especially if you're entering trades at key points where there might be a little bit of moving around before it actually takes off. This is a great feature about the MetaTrader, is that it waits until it reaches the profit point that you've indicated, and then it'll move to break even and then start to follow behind your trade, which I like a lot. So I just thought I'd mention that for your information. We'll see if this is gonna kick off here real soon some more and take us on up to our target, hopefully. If it doesn't, I'll just go ahead and pause the video, and we'll wait until it does. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and pause the video now. I'll come back here in a few minutes and we'll see where we're at. Okay, checking back here again now that it's not a fast moving market right now, but it did hit my 12 pip target. I mean stop loss, trailing stop. And if you notice, you don't see the red line down here as a trailing stop, so it already automatically moved up to break even, because it just barely just hit it right now. So I want to sit here a few more minutes and see if we can't get it to move up a little bit more while you're watching. Just going to kind of let this go. This is once again, we're on the Euro USD. This is a 5-minute chart, and I use this method to scalp. As I said, especially the USD. When it reaches certain breaking resistance points, there are many ways to determine that, and eventually I'm going to have a video vault that I'm going to offer for free, that you'll get updates if you're on my emailing list, and I'm going to share with you different breaking of resistance points, which are indications that the market may be headed in a certain direction. And then once that happens, I pop in down to a 5-minute chart, and then using my Heiken Asahi indicator to give me a signal on to enter the market, or when to enter the market, actually. So as we just kind of sit here and watch, we'll see. Right now we're at break even, so this is a free trade. Hopefully it'll continue on up and hit our target. Quite often it does, but not every time. We'll see what happens. I'm going to pause the video now once again, and we'll wait and see if this baby goes up to our target. Talk to you soon. Okay, we're back here now, and you can just barely see that the trailing stop is starting to move up behind the trade. We're just a little bit over 12 pips, and continue to watch this here for a few minutes, let it trade out. I always found it interesting when I can catch other videos, watching live trades in action. Just kind of gives you a good idea as to how it's working. As I said, it's a very slow moving market tonight. It's not it's definitely got some good momentum, but it's very slow. It's not powering up real fast, which can be a good indication that it's going to continue, but you never know. The market is live. It never always does the same thing. It's kind of like handling a snake. Once you're able to get a grip on it and know how to handle it, it can become very profitable for you. One thing I'd like to mention while we're watching this maybe is to I'm going to have to pause. I'm going to have to pause this. I'm running out of time, and then maybe on the next video I'll talk some more about it. Okay, here we go. It's continuing to move up. You can see the trailing stop kicking in. That's the noise it makes. And there, I got it.